This is a human tragedy on a scale we cannot yet project.
We could end up at 50 to 60,000 people.
The virus has gone exponential, shutting down bars, restaurants.
I mean, we'd go from a disaster into a major crisis.
We were watching and seeing the numbers increase, and that concern continued to grow along with the cases that started happening, the hospitalizations, and the general fear.
You begin to worry. You begin to worry and you start asking yourself all the what ifs. And then not just the what ifs, the hows.
And it was during spring break, we started jumping on conference calls and Zoom meetings to discuss how we were going to handle this.
And I saw the leader, our superintendent and CEO, Mr. Conger, go, folks, we cannot have our students and our families pay for the pandemic.
We can't have a lost generation.
Now, when I heard that we were going to go all virtual, the first thing was, okay, what are we going to do with the kids who don't have computers?
I got out of that one-hour meeting, went straight into the technology division and started ordering $1.2 million worth of devices.
So I'm thinking to myself, great, we got the shipment, we're going to be okay. And then I get a call Sunday evening, and they're like, Mr. Apalaca, we don't think we're going to be ready to pass out the computers on Monday.
And then inventorying, assigning, putting all the bells and whistles of all the apps, as well as the tools, making the devices safe and secure.
I called some teachers and they came to help us. We had actually, in the sense, two teams. We had the team, which was the teachers and the students trying to either log on or trying to teach. And then we had the team who was still passing out technology and the parents who were picking it up.
But we did all that in 5 days. The 6th day,
we had thousands and thousands of kids who showed back up to class virtual. It gave everyone a tiny sense of normalcy.
And I think that has helped the kids to feel like they're still engaging with their teachers. They're having that relationship and building that trust. They're progressing not only their education, but also their technology skills, which are going to be very essential and very important in their future.
You know what? It's time for a brain break.
All right, here we go.
You ready?
And down, dog. You did an awesome job on yesterday, and I truly enjoy every moment. Freeze! How about a photographer?
Hey guys, it's so good to see everybody. I hope you guys are having a really great day.
Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing okay. I am so excited about seeing you.
Every plan is perfect until it's implemented, right? So then we started ironing out the wrinkles.
We knew we would still need our teachers to provide some of that direct instruction. We knew that we still needed to have kids engage in the curriculum, engage in the learning.
Whether there was too much screen time, whether people said we couldn't do it or it could not be done, the question was, why not? And solutions were being thought of.
It's refining what we were doing, is taking now the hindsight and the lessons learned to improve. And it's a commitment that we've made.
That has created a different kind of learning environment in this pandemic, that kids are in fact still learning and still moving forward.
You guys have a great day. I hope you enjoy the rest of your class.
This experience has really bonded us as a community.
And we're very proud of the work, and we don't want it to stay here. As is aligned with the mission of ISLE Texas, is we want to change the world, and we want to be able to positively impact our communities.
We have to not just stay where we are, but accelerate and start providing innovative solutions.
I'm excited of what the future has for us. I think that together we're going to be able to accomplish our goal on helping our kids.
We miss you, we love you.
So keep learning.
This is going to be a moment in time that truly is going to impact kids.